Okay, welcome back to this the series with the master palette, and we're continuing with part 2 of the types of brackets that are possible. If you look at this right here, you will see, like where the flute 1 and flute 2 are. You'll see this line going down from flute 1 to flute 2, and then oboe 1 and oboe 2 have it, clarinets have it, and of course if I wanted bass clarinet to be part of that, good thing to do is to bring it, kind of double click, see if you can double click to where you get the little gray handle. And so then you can let it go after that. So that's how you actually extend that little bracket. And that actually is for if you want sections of instruments to have, like one part has one staff and the other part has the other. Like oboe 1 has one part written out, and then oboe 2 has a separate part. Otherwise you would write them on oboe or oboes. You would actually write them in different voices, and I could show you how to do that in other videos as well. But if you're going to separate out 1 and 2, or 1, 2 and 3, or 1, 2 and bass, if that's part of your lineup, then you want that other thin bracket, which if I say View Master Palette, it'll bring it up. And this is the one bracket, this instrument likeness bracket here. So the first type of bracket was for instrument families. Could be different, like woodwinds, brass, percussion. Now this bracket is for instruments that are the same instrument but more than one part, if that makes any sense. So alright, so that's how we deal with these, and then of course if we wanted to break this, these saxes, if we wanted to actually make them into a group, because since they're all saxophones, we can do command click or shift click, and go all the way down to bari sax from alto sax, and then click View Master Palette, and you can put a thing right there. You could put a saxophone bracket. Okay, you could put a bracket for the saxophones. Same thing for bassoons. If you had more than one part, you could say bassoon 1, bassoon 2, and you could have those parts grouped together by that thin little bracket. So hopefully that breaks that down. There are a few more brackets that I kind of want to go through, and then I want to actually finish that and move on to the next thing in the master palette list. So stay tuned for what's coming up.